Hey everyone, this is Chi Cao, founder of WX Capital. Today I'm going to introduce you to our company, which provides real-time trades as well as exclusive access to our proprietary Biotech diligence. We're going to dive into exactly how we do this diligence and what our track record has looked like for the past 3.5 years. We're really excited to get you guys on board and start working with WX Capital so you can get a leg up in the markets. WX Capital offers 3 core services. First, we share our real-time trades as we're investing our Apex 2 fund, which comprises of approximately $120,000. Second, we offer exclusive access to some of our highest quality diligence on biotech companies. This is the same type of research that we would do for our biotech clients back when we were life science consultants that would cost our clients about $300,000 for 8 weeks of work. But we're bringing it to you guys at an easy and affordable price of $19.99 a month. Finally, we offer daily market commentary so you know exactly what's going on in the markets and you know why prices are fluctuating the way they are. Our specialty is biotech investing. Our team comprises of ex-life science consultants as well as bankers that have deep knowledge of the industry and experience in doing diligence on biotech companies. We studied at top-tier schools such as Harvard, Yale, Brown, and we have worked in biotech for all of our lives. We have connections in the industry that we can rely on for quick insights and quick feedback on our diligence, and we've demonstrated a strong track record of being able to return about 35% on each of our trades. Our trades in biotech range from just normal equity trading to options trading. We've taken long positions in biotech companies and we've shorted the biotech index before as well. All of our strategies are aimed to make profit and to make high returns with minimizing risk as much as possible. So we select the highest quality biotech companies to invest in that will bring us 30 to 50% returns on average. In just 2 months, our Apex 1 fund returned about 60% through a diverse range of investments in different types of biotech companies, ranging from liquid biopsy companies to precision oncology companies. We've been able to identify and pinpoint high quality companies that allowed us to get such high returns in such a short amount of time. And I'm going to tell you how we do that right now. WX Capital's strategy is by placing outsized bets on winners that we believe have the highest chance of return. We look at a range of factors that enable us to understand whether there's a discrepancy between the market cap of a company and the true value of that company. We look at how many patients that company can treat with their drug. We look at the competitors that are playing in the same field as that company and how much market share those competitors are going to take. We look at the payer landscape and the insurance landscape to see what price that drug can be charged at and at what reimbursement levels that these drugs will have. All of that put together allows us to assess the true value of the company and invest in small biotech companies that have a large discrepancy between their market value now and their market potential in the future. The next set of videos, I'm going to be teaching you guys step by step how to assess biotech companies as well as other companies in other industries. But first, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you get the most up-to-date content that we release on WX Capital's YouTube channel. Also check out www.wx.capital in order to sign up for our free newsletter and for our very accessible and affordable subscription that gets you exclusive access to some of our top-notch diligence that no one else will get. Thank you again, and looking forward to working together on achieving our personal finance goals.